Hello everyone, it is your girl Andrea, and today we're going to quickly go over what is in my March kit lineup. This is a Printpression B6 planner with the inserts that he sold in his shop. His shop is currently closed, so I don't really know where you could get this kind of setup, but I have it, so I'm going to stick with it. So first things first is the first week of March. None of the kits really in here I have any specific reason for using the week that they're in. I just thought that they were pretty, so I picked them for March. Also, March has always given me green vibes, so I'm kind of sticking with that. So I do have Toasty from my shop. This is the ultimate kit. Super, super pretty. I also do have the Doodle 2 pattern boxes, and then also Fashion version 2. I just picked a random one at the time. I also probably need to grab the scribblers for this, because I don't have them, but I'll probably forget. We'll see. Then I also do have, oh no, just kidding, they're right here. Then I also each week have the Erin Condren bottom washi cover up. If you want to see me use this, I will try and remember to leave a link down below, but it's just how I use my stickers in Erin Condren. I like to have that versus using a bunch of white out on the bottom washi. I also do have, I think I'm going to use my other copy of this year, which is kind of odd. I feel like I rarely use the same foil bundle twice in a year from Ennis shop. So this is Mistletoe by Caress Press. So this is the newer format that has the like full box here in matte bronze. I don't have the bougie because I am going to be using, I think I might actually used it with this and used the plaid. But I'm just going to use a random one from here. I'm kind of leaning towards, I don't know, maybe the dots. I don't know. I've been liking the dots. So I'm just going to pick some from there and use those. I thought that would be really, really pretty together, the matte bronze. Also thought matte silver would be pretty, or like dark green, but you're going to see we have some similar color vibes throughout. Then this week is art museum. I don't have plans to go to an art museum anytime soon, so I just figured I would toss this in this week. This is March 10th through the 16th, but again, green vibes. So we have Doodle 2, Scribbler 3, because I got the brown hair now, and then version 2 for the fashion. Again, I just picked a random one. I do have the 15mm strip for the bottom washi, as well as some underlays from Planet Hannah. I got the art class ones in the ice. I think it's matte, like a matte blue. I thought it would go good with the blues in this kit. And then for foil bundle, I am going to be using the dark green from my shop. I thought this would be really pretty. Normally I like to use matte foil with Darcy's kits, but I think the green and the matte blue will be really pretty together. Who knows, might change my mind. Another option that I was leaning towards was doing matte silver with this, which is still a possibility, but again, I feel like I'm using a lot of matte bronze, matte silver kind of vibes throughout this month, so I was trying to break it up a smidge. But like I said, you never know what's going to happen until the week of. And then for this week, I was kind of like, I think I had this closer to, well, I was thinking, okay, cold weather, because it's snowing in this. And then I was going to use this here, but then I was also using matte bronze with this, and I just thought, like, that's too much matte bronze together, because I was thinking, oh, this should be closer to, like, February, because it's also romance vibes. But this is Most Ardently, which is a Pride and Prejudice inspired collection, which, if you know me, you know I love Pride and Prejudice. So this is a little older, so it doesn't have scribblers, but it has 1 and 2, or maybe it did. I don't know. We have 1 and 2, as well as the full boxes, because I didn't know what I wanted to do there. And I probably will do some like quotes and stuff. I always do my custom quotes and my custom multi with Hannah and use those week of. So you always see those. Oh, there's the scribbler. So we do have the 15mm bottom washi strip. And then for foil bundle, like I said, I did go ahead and grab just the regular confetti in the matte silver. And then from Hannah, I do have the Damask 2, which I probably will layer on top of the matte silver, which again, there's a lot of matte and matte silver, matte bronze going on. So try to space them out a little bit, but it was just really giving with the March vibes. The next week is the week of March 24th through the 30th, which I think this is Chris's birthday week, and that's why I stuck this in here, because it's food related, and you know Chris, you know he loves food. So I do have the August 2024 Lech Brunch kit. This is not in the shop, but it will be reformatted in August. So I do also have the Doodle add-on, as well as Scribbler 3. I do also have the the bottom washi cover-up strip, as well as the marble solid boxes, which I do love. And then I did pull out silver. This, I think, came with matte silver, which I would have 100% left if I did not have the silver upon matte silver upon matte silver upon matte silver. But I just figured I would just throw a regular silver in, which I feel like works still with this. I do like matte silver maybe a little bit better, but I just think that there was just too much of it going on in this month, so I needed to switch it up. But I think this is going to look really nice and shiny and clean. And then I did also pull out the terrazzo underlays, which I have the shimmer foil bundle here, but I thought that the terrazzo would be really pretty with like a kitchen vibe, which this kit does have. So I thought that that would be a really, really cute together. And again, great for Chris's birthday week, but honestly it'd be a good anytime kit, and it's perfect because it's green-ish into my fully green March vibes. So that's everything for this month. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!